Ang daming baka, di ba? Ang dami kang iniisip. Pero ang totoo niyan, your identity tells you that nothing is impossible with God. So, Paul stood in front of an angry crowd and chose courage over silence. The question here is that, will you stay silent or will you testify? Now, this week, I want you to testify to a person, one person. Huwag tayong malis dito nang wala tayong assignment. Ha? I want you to testify to one person. Your life, katulad ng ni Paul, your life before Christ, your encounter with Christ, and your life after Christ. Kaya mo ba yun? Gagawin ko rin yun. Sama-sama tayo. And then, this is the challenge. Your story may be the key to someone else's salvation. Huwag kang matakot